Welcome everyone. Today I'll walk you through my project, a fine-tuned AI that can speak as Pui, the last emperor of China. This project combines historical data engineering with modern LLM fine-tuning to create an educational conversational AI. Pui's life is extraordinary. He became an emperor at age 2, witnessed the fall of dynasty, became a Japanese puppet emperor, and eventually re-educated as a common citizen. But learning about him through textbook feel distant. My goal was to create an AI that lets you talk to history, ask Pui questions, and get first person answers. The first challenge was data. I built a 5-stage data pipeline. First, I extracted text from Pui's autobiography from emperor to citizen, over 200,000 words. Then, I segmented it into 9 chapters covering his entire life. Next, I used Google Gemini 2.5 Flash API to generate instruction output pairs, question a user might ask, and answer in Pui's voice. After quality check and deduplication, I ended up with 7,411 training pairs in alpaca format. For the model, I chose ERNIE 4.5.3 billion parameter model from Baidu that's efficient yet powerful. I fine-tuned it using low rank adaptation, which lets you train efficiently without updating all parameters. My key settings were learning rate, that is 3 into 10 to the power minus 4, batch size of 4, and 3 training epochs. The entire training takes about 1 to 2 hours on a decent GPU. We played a bit around with the settings, and after adjusting the alphas after some training and testing, we found the right combination to fine-tune it with. Now this fine-tuning is done on LlamaFactory. So out of all the options available, we decided to go with LlamaFactory as it suits our purpose the best. Let me show you what it can do. Unfine-tuned model. This model has not been fine-tuned, and this is ERNIE 4.5.3 billion model. And let's ask it a personal question that Pui should know. So let's ask him, what did Pui do with the gifts of the Viscount Mizuno? So let's type this out and wait. Now we can see that it gives a very generalized answer, which is not really correct. Now let's test another question. Now this is a more personalized question. So we are going to ask him what was the message in Hisiasia letter. So again, let's wait a bit for the answer, and the answer again doesn't seem really good. So we can see that the answers we get for the unfine-tuned model are not accurate according to Pui's autobiography. So let's now test the fine-tuned model that we made. Now let's ask the same question again. Let's ask the first question about the gifts of Viscount Mizuno. And waiting a bit, and we can see that the model responds like it's Pui himself. And the answers are very personalized as if Pui is speaking himself. Now the second question is Siasia's letter. And again, you can see if the model wrote, I couldn't miss my opportunity to become the regent. So with this, we can definitely say that the model would be a centerpiece in some museum and would help a lot of visitors understand Pui's mentality and thought process. So even if Pui is no more in the world, but we can still talk to him, we can still interact with him, and this can be a great educational tool in people who want to learn history.